I'm Brad Poole. I've been working at Geofabrics for 21 years. What manufacturing means to me in Australia is great to have a manufacturing team, especially local in Albury, and had a company that's lived here for such a long time and growing and growth with the local community. It's been good to be part of that team, and it's a family-oriented business. We recycle a lot of stuff that comes out of recycled material, of course. Everything's environmentally friendly. So we try and look after the environment as we go along, which is a great place to work. You know, someone's looking after the company as well and the place that we live. So what I most enjoy about working at Geofabrics is that they're a place that's family oriented. They come in, they look after you, they look after your family. It's been a company here that's been growing and it keeps growing, and they come in with new and ideal products that keep growing up every year. So it's a whole new adventure every year. Nothing's ever the same. We're looking forward to seeing where Geo's is going to go in the future. And it's been great to work here for 21 years so far. I'm looking forward for another 21 years more to come.